If you don't take control of your self-worth, the world will do it for you, and it will rarely be in your favor. Effect number 1: depression and anxiety. Low self-esteem makes you feel like you're never good enough, no matter what you do. This kind of thinking can lead to depression, where you feel sad all the time and lose interest in things you used to enjoy. Or anxiety, where you're constantly worried or stressed. Imagine you totally messed up your presentation. Instead of thinking, okay, I will try harder next time, you tell yourself, I am so stupid. I will never be good at this. If this kind of thinking happens a lot, it can make you feel hopeless and anxious about even trying. You might start avoiding challenges altogether, afraid of failing again, which only makes things worse. Over time, these feelings can become overwhelming, making even small tasks like getting out of bed, texting a friend, or finishing homework feel exhausting or pointless. Effect number 2: bad relationships. Low self-worth may lead to difficulties in communication and increased sensitivity to criticism. If you don't think highly of yourself, it's easy to let people treat you badly. You might be too scared to stand up for yourself, or you might stay in toxic friendships or relationships because you think you don't deserve better. This can mean tolerating rude comments, being taken advantage of, or constantly trying to please others at your own expense. Sometimes people with low self-esteem even push away those who genuinely care about them because they can't believe they are worthy of love or kindness. This can lead to loneliness, frustration, or feeling like you're always the one putting in effort while others take you for granted. Effect number 3: lower life satisfaction. You feel like life isn't as fun or meaningful. When you constantly think negatively about yourself, it's hard to enjoy anything fully. Even happy moments like hanging out with friends, going on a trip, or achieving something might feel dull because your mind keeps telling you, I don't deserve this. You compare yourself to others and feel like you're always falling short, which makes everything seem pointless. This negative mindset can lead to deep unhappiness, where you feel like nothing is ever truly fulfilling. Effect number 4: struggling in school or work. Low self-esteem doesn't just make you feel bad. It can actually hold you back from reaching your potential. You miss out on opportunities to learn, grow, and succeed. This can lead to falling behind in school, struggling to find a good job, or feeling stuck in life. These thoughts can make you avoid challenges completely. Instead of taking a risk, you might play it safe. Stay quiet in class, avoid leadership roles, or settle for a job you don't like because you're afraid to aim higher. Effect number 5: bad health. Low self-esteem can create a vicious cycle with your health. When you don't feel good about yourself, you might lack the motivation to take care of your body, leading to poor habits like skipping meals, overeating, or staying up too late. These can cause issues like weight gain, fatigue, or even more serious health problems. You might also avoid going to the doctor because deep down you feel like your health doesn't matter. On top of that, stress from low self-esteem can weaken your immune system, making you more likely to get sick. The worse you feel physically, the worse your self-esteem gets, trapping you in an unhealthy loop. Effect number 6. No personal growth. If you're always doubting yourself, you might be too scared to try new things. This can keep you stuck in one place, never improving or learning. You might avoid picking up new skills, setting goals, or stepping out of your comfort zone because you fear failure or embarrassment. Even small missed opportunities like not joining a club or avoiding public speaking can add up and limit your potential. This leads to frustration and boredom, and feeling like life is passing you by while others move forward. Growth only happens when you challenge yourself. But if low self-esteem holds you back, you may never discover what you're truly capable of. Effect number 7. Risky behaviors and substance abuse. When you don't feel good about yourself, you can sometimes look for quick ways to escape, like drinking, drugs, or reckless behaviors like gambling. These things can give a kind of relief, making you forget your problems for a while, but they don't actually fix anything. In fact, they often make things worse, damaging your health, leading to addiction, or putting you in dangerous situations. Low self-esteem can also make you more likely to give in to peer pressure, because you don't feel confident enough to say no. When someone offers you a drink at a party, you take it, even though you normally wouldn't. If you don't like the sound of that future, and honestly, I don't think it's appealing at all. Check out this video with 6 practical tips to boost your self-esteem once and for all. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.